Okay, boys and girls, today I'm going to go over one of the problems that was on your test for 3-digit subtraction. Now, this problem, 708 minus 219, was on your assessment, and you could choose any method that you wanted. I'm going to go ahead and show you using a proof drawing. So our first step is to break it up into hundreds, tens, and ones using a proof drawing or base 10 blocks. So with 708, I know that that has 7 hundreds or 7 flats. One hundred, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, and 700. I know that it has 0 tens and it has 8 ones. Okay, notice I'm leaving this here because I know that 219 has a 10 in it. I'm going to need that. Okay, if I put my ones right over to where my tens position to be, it will be very confusing when we start to ungroup. So our next step is to do a proof drawing on 219. I know that 219 has 2 flats. That equals 200. 219 has 1 10 and 9 ones. Notice I'm keeping it neatly aligned. Ones, tens, and hundreds. I had some friends on the test where it was not as organized as this and it got really confusing. I could see that you were using a proof drawing and you were putting them into hundreds, tens, and ones, but it got really confusing because it was not neatly organized, so we got confused very quickly. So you got to be really careful that you are trying your best and you're making it nice and neat. Okay, now we're over here and we're at the ones. We have 8 minus 9. Boys and girls, can we do 8 minus 9? No, that's impossible. So we're going to go next door and grab 10 more. This is where it got confusing because we knew that we had to go next door and we had to grab 10, but it got confusing for us because there was nothing in this spot. But if you go step by step, it will make sense. So we went next door, we grabbed 10 tens. But we still don't have enough over here at the ones. So we go next door and we grab 10 more. And now we have our 10 ones, which now becomes 18. There's 10 up here. We know that because we just ungrouped. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, minus 9. We cross off the 9s here. We cross off 8 here, and that's 9, and our answer becomes 9. We should know that 9 plus 9 is 18, so we should know our doubles. So the next step, now we're moving over to the tens. We have 90 minus 10. Cross this off here. We cross this off here, being very careful, knowing that we've already ungrouped that. And now we should have 80 left. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, and 80. Now we're going to go to our hundreds. Okay, we know we have 600 minus 200. We'll cross these off. We'll cross these off. And now we'll see how much we have left. 1, 2, 3, and that will be 400. And that is how we solve 3-digit subtraction. It's 708 minus 219 using a proof drawing.